Yo guys, welcome back, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to create a simple, nice and clean mixed media effect for your next music video or edit. Starting off, I'm going to disable these two clips right here, and I already have my clean slate white paper moving effect right here that I downloaded off of YouTube. You can find this anywhere on YouTube. It's just still random stock footage, and I already have our timed increase right here just for our effect. So starting off, I'm going to enable our first clip right here. Then I'm going to select our clip, head over to the shape tool, and what we're actually going to do is we're going to mask out her mouth right here. So I'm going to go towards the beginning, just mask it out. So if you want, you can do it like this. I'm going to zoom out, and we already have one right here. Then what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to pre-comp our footage right there. So then now we can mess around with it, move it around. Now for the next footage, we're going to enable it right here. Then we're actually going to zoom in on her eyes. So we're going to go back to the shape tool right here. Then we're going to mask out her eyes and try to make it more symmetrical to our clip right here at the bottom. But it's not really necessary. I just like having it more symmetrical. If you really want, you can include her eyebrows. So I would say about right there. And then I'm gonna close out our effects right here. Just gonna make sure it's a bit symmetrical. So this right there is pretty nice. If you want, you can also increase our mask a bit right here. I think maybe pushing it up. Apart from that, I'm going to go right here, right click on our footage, then I'm going to pre-comp it. Then I'm going to go to our effects, and for each of our clips right on our timeline, I'm going to put down our posterize, or bring down our frame rate to around 12 frames per second. So I'm just going to copy and paste all of these on each effect, on each video clip right here. You just go around on your mask, and you can see right here is messing up. So I'm actually going to go through our mask once again. Gonna disable all of these real quick, and I'm gonna fix it right now. Then I'm gonna re-put our posterized time effects on them. So then now I'm gonna zoom out right here. Then I'm gonna mess with the scale of our clips. I'm going to copy the same scales right here. Then I'm going to try to line up our clips right here. Again, if you want, you can unlink our scale. Then you could push our scale a bit so it's more symmetrical with our clip on top with the eyes. Then we're going to add an effect to our paper clip on the bottom. Our timeline, so I'm gonna go right here. Then I'm just gonna add the single effect right here called invert, and it's just gonna turn our color black. Next, I'm just gonna add some simple effects to our clips right here. So for the first effect I'm gonna add is sharpen. It's gonna help bring out our clip a bit more. Right here, gonna add it to our second clip with the mouth. And just depends on your clip. You could bring it down a bit. Again, this is mainly messing around with our effects. Once after that, I'm gonna go right here, and you can also add signal. Just drag it in right there, and if you really want to, you can just make a new adjustment layer, add it. Then you can just add signal, just drag it in. But I think it just looks good if we have it on top of our whole clip. So I'm gonna go right here on VHS, emulating VHS. Put on VHS LP for VHS long play, go to Luma modulation and turn off tape errors right here, and that's going to give this nice effect right here. Then if you want, you can add a glow effect on our adjustment layer right here. Then we're gonna increase our radius, bring down our threshold, increase our radius. So you just want to mess around with it. You can also bring it under our signal effect, but I think it looks the best above our signal effect. So I'm gonna close that out. I'm gonna save our project. Then I'm gonna cut out my adjustment layer on the end. Next, I'm gonna go right here, make it a text layer. Then I'm gonna add her name, which is Lexa. And I'm gonna use the addition font right here. I'm gonna unlink our scale. Then I'm gonna bring up our scale right here. So I'm gonna put it about right at the middle. And with this effect, you can add multiple styles to it. It's very versatile. You can also change the glow right here, change the signal. You can really make it look really weird. So for example, you can add colorama. Then you can go right here on modify, go to hue, and it will mess with those colors right here. It's just very versatile. You can mess around with the whole thing. Again, if I were to put it upside above our text layer, again, it messes with our text right here. It's a very cool effect with colorama. You can mess around with our colors right here, put on white, maybe black. So for today, I'm just gonna have this effect right here. I'm gonna go right here, then cut down our text. Then I'm gonna add her second part of her name, which is Gates. Then I'm gonna go right here, cut it down. We're gonna delete our text layer. Then I'm gonna copy both of our text. Then I'm just gonna push it right there. Again, you just wanna mess around with our text. Just mainly see how it works, the combos. You can mess around with the text everywhere. Apart from that, if you followed each instructions in this video, your effect should look like this. If you learned something new from this video, or you just like it overall, I would appreciate if you were to subscribe, like, or leave a comment. I upload weekly content based around editing tutorials on After Effects. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see more effects like this or any type of other effects. I'll be willing to learn and just show you guys how to make them. Apart from that, keep on staying creative, work hard, and chase your dreams. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.